Hey guys, Jovi again. Just giving you a little review of this terminal app I came across called shirah-reader. It's pretty cool. I found it on Reddit. It'll do that speed reading for you on any EPUB file. It doesn't work on PDFs, but just Google shirah-reader. You can install it with pip3. pip3 install shirah-reader, and then run shirah. I was running shirah-reader as the command, and it took me about 20 minutes to realize that the command's just shirah, so don't make that mistake. So I downloaded a book here. I've got 1984, so I can run shirah and then the epub file, and then I can just read it if I want. But let's get to the beginning of the book, which I think is right here. Well, that's the introduction. I don't know what all the commands are. There's no help menu or anything. Anyway, just to demo the app, you have to hit R. R will put you into the speed reading mode. And you can increase and decrease the speed. I think you hit R multiple times. What does it say here? Help is a question mark. I thought that was, you press R to get in the RSVP. Control C to change the speed. Okay, current words per minute. Let's change it to 700. Wow, that's really fast. I don't think I could read the entire book like this, but if you got to get through, maybe, I don't know what you'd use it on. Emails from people that send you long-winded emails, maybe that. Anyway, that's it. Give it a shot. You do this command, pip3. Where is it? pip3 install shirah-reader. Alright, see you guys, bye.